Hello, this is Glenn Paul from Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh, India, with a message from God for you. My dear fellow human beings, we are living in the time of the end. According to the Bible, this time that we are living in now has been spoken of as the time of the end, where man's rule will end on earth and God's kingdom will soon come. We are faced with a time of great tribulation, as the Bible calls it. Jesus said that there shall be wars and rumors of wars. There shall be earthquakes in diverse places. There shall be pestilences, meaning diseases. All this is happening right now if you turn on your TV and see. But the most important thing is that there shall be a one world government, or the new world order as they call it, and one man, the son of devil or the son of perdition, will rule the world for a period of 7 years, and in the middle of the 7 years he will break a covenant, a treaty which is between all the world, and he will cause all the people of the world to bow down and worship him. Now he will control all the people of this world by putting a mark on their right hand, which is 666 according to Revelations. Now this, I presume, is going to be injected into your right hand through a vaccine, which is a so-called coronavirus vaccine. The fear of coronavirus has been created by the governments of this world so that the people will follow and obey the rules that they pass, and it will take away, it has already taken away and will take away all the freedom of people on this earth. So remember, don't take that mark on your right hand, don't take the vaccination, because coronavirus is nothing. I've been watching many doctors and their opinions. It's just a common flu which comes every year, but this time it's come in the form of what they're calling the coronavirus, and they're using this to create that fear so that they will be able to inject the vaccine, which they will make mandatory, into your right hand. So don't take the mark of the beast and flee, hide, or survive through this period of great tribulation, which will be only for 3.5 years, after which, like the lightning shines from one end of the sky to the other, you will see the Son of Man, the King of Kings, coming in glory with the sound of a trumpet, and the doors of the kingdom of heaven will be open for you and me, and we will live forever with there's no more sorrow, no more pain, and happiness with Jesus. And the world and earth will become will go back to its original form, the way God created it. So don't worry at all about coronavirus. It's nothing. Nobody dies from it. The people who die, they die from other things like heart diseases, sugar, and tuberculosis, and many other things, and they are only saying that coronavirus is killing people. Coronavirus is not killing anybody. It's just a flu that comes and goes. So don't worry, be happy that we are living in the time of the end, and Jesus is going to come back very soon. Bye for now. This is Glenn from Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh, India, with this little message from God. Take it seriously and rejoice.